this.
This is fun! Goodness gracious!
What a wonderful dream.
So please stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And grown-ups, please watch your adorable children. TTFN, ta-ta for now.
One blustery day in the 100-acre wood, a little bear named Winnie the Pooh set off in search of honey.
What? Look, Mama, look! I'm a kite! It's on Tigger,
Happy Wednesday!
Look, Mama, look! I'm a kite! It's me!
Well, thank you, Piglet.
First the wind, and now this.
This is fun! Goodness gracious!
Hey, Tigger.
What a wonderful dream.
Wake up! Ooh, wake up! Wake up! Ooh.
Oh boy, it's your birthday.
It's time for your party, Pooh!
Happy birthday.
Hooray! Happy birthday!
Hip hip hooray!
I do hope you like my gift, Pooh Bear.
I've never seen so many babies.
Hope you like my present.
Presents for Pooh. Oh, that was fun. I'm sure you'll find my present.
Come on,